quadrilateral. Understanding quadrilateral. Are you there, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
There, ma'am.
Mm. Laterals. Understanding quadrilaterals. Okay. We'll start understanding quadrilaterals. Today's
Ma'am.
13/7/2020. 8th D.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
8th D. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, what two exercises are there, ma'am?
Who can't see? Can you see? Yes, Dhanush.
Ma'am, more two exercises are there, ma'am, in linear equations.
It's not there for our school. Hello, I'm just telling you, we are going to delete 30% of the portions because
We
of
omitted
this
the current
pandemic.
sign. Omitted.
Okay, online many are not learning, and some it's very difficult to teach. Okay, so even in 10th and 9th standard, CBSE is deleting. So 8th standard, it's up to the subject teachers. Saturday we had subject teachers meeting. Me, Jayshri ma'am, Guru Prasad sir, Parimala ma'am. Okay, all the four had a discussion, and we have planned what all to delete. So 4 chapters for this July to August. Rational number, linear equation, understanding quadrilateral, practical geometry. Okay, in that we discussed that rational number full portion is there. Linear equation we have till 2.4 fifth sum. Okay, understanding quadrilateral, no kite is not there. Remaining things are there. Fourth one, practical geometry. Okay, wow. Okay, children. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are going to start. We are going to record it. Afzal going to record. Let's see how it is coming. Otherwise, I will only record. Today I'll check how it is. Okay. Now, if anyone is answering, which name, whose name I'm saying, only that person should on the speaker and answer. Others should not on. They should keep mute only. Okay. In surface. Can anyone say? What do you mean by plane surface? It's a plane. Surface which is plane is called plane surface. Correct?
Place to draw.
Where you
Place
draw.
to
Place to draw. Okay, that is a good answer. It is a surface. Plane surface is a which we call the best example is a paper. Paper is a plane surface. Blackboard is a plane surface. Okay, so that all of us know. So the surface which is not curved, which is always flat and plane surface. Now, when you learn, very important, we are going to learn is open curve and closed curve. Open curve. Curve. What do you mean by curve? Curve means
A bend.
bend. Okay, something which is something you can draw like this. Well, drawing means that is curve. Open curve means the open curve means what do you open curve means? What a curve where the beginning and the end are different.
See.
Open curve means what? Oh, what is open curve? This is your the beginning and the end point is different, like this. Open curve. Okay, or like this. This is also open curve. This is also open curve. Okay, what do you mean by open curve? An open curve is a curve where the beginning and end points are different. The beginning point is different, end point is, suppose beginning point is A means end point B means both are different. That is called open curve. Closed curve. Closed curve is a curve with no end points. It will close like this, no end point. It can be like this also. It can be like this. It can be like this. Okay, all these are called closed curve. Open curve means end point and beginning point are different. Closed point curve means end point and beginning points are same. Okay, that is all. Completely encloses an area. A closed curve is a curve with no end points which completely enclosed an area. Okay, you have to give two examples. Next, simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Can you guess this? What is simple closed curve? How it is different from the closed curve? Simple closed curve is different from closed curve. How?
Not
Can
very
anyone guess?
Not have too much.
Yes.
segments.
don't have too much.
It's not very complicated.
Ma'am, it's not complicated.
Complicated,
That's
simple.
fine.
Simple
Mostly.
opposite complicated. Not complicated is simple. Without retracing any portion. See, so this is passing on to the other surface like this. It is passing, means it's just a closed curve. It will not pass on to any surface. A curve without retracing any portion of the drawing. A curve without retracing. Without retracing. You should write without retracing. It will not go on any of the line like this. This is also simple closed curve. It is not going. If you draw, this is also simple closed curve. Why this is simple closed curve? It is not going on to anything. Retracing not takes place without retracing the portion. Closed curve means anything which retraces like this, like this, like this, like this. These are all which you draw rangoli. Rangoli, know what is this symbol? What is this symbol?
Metro.
What is this symbol?
Metro.
Metro symbol. Yeah. So metro symbol is a closed curve or simple closed curve? Metro symbol is a closed curve or simple closed curve?
Closed curve.
Closed curve.
We don't have a word called complicated, but we have just closed curve. So whenever it is retracing the portion, the other portion, any portion of the drawing, we call it as closed curve. Okay. So our metro symbol is a closed curve, not a simple closed curve. Okay. Next, go to polygon. You all know polygon, right? Tell me what is the definition of polygon?
A simple closed curve made up of the line segments.
Very good. Yeah, very good. Who said that?
Manoj,
Manoj,
ma'am.
very good, Manoj. A simple closed curve with line segments. Simple closed curve with the line segments is called polygon. Simple closed curve with the line segment is called polygon. We should have line segment like this. Like this, like this. Only line segment will be there. Anywhere line segment is there, we are called as line segment, no curved. Okay, line segment is there, we are calling that as polygon. Simple closed curve which consists of line segment is called polygon. Tomorrow I'll ask you questions. Anyone who is listening today should listen properly, write the notes properly. Okay, I will ask you tomorrow questions, you should answer. Now, simple closed curve, simplest polygon. Which is the simplest polygon? Which is the simplest polygon?
Triangle.
Smallest
Triangle.
polygon. Very good. Triangle. Triangle is the simplest. Triangle is the simplest polygon. Simplest means smallest. Smallest. Very simple, very small. That means n is equal to 3. Number of sides are 3. Okay. If it is a regular, all sides are equal. Regular means all the sides are equal and all angles are equal. We call it as a regular polygon. Okay. Now, simplest polygon is triangle because with two lines you can't draw polygon. It is open curve. It cannot be a closed curve. I already told you the definition of polygon is a simple closed curve which consists of line segment. Okay. So you cannot draw polygon using parallel lines. Correct. So only simplest polygon is triangle. Next polygon. What is the next polygon? N is equal to 4. So what all will come? N is equal to square will come. Rectangle will come.
Rectangle.
And then
Kite.
Quadrilateral.
kite will come.
Rhombus.
Rhombus. Very good. You remember rhombus, pentagon and all? Pentagon will have
Yes, ma'am.
five sides. One more you missed. I taught you last year. Square, rectangle. No. Rectangle.
Triangle.
No. I'm asking n is equal to 4. If the number of sides are 4, which are all will come?
Quadrilateral.
Parallelogram. Who said parallelogram?
Observe, ma'am.
Nishant, ma'am.
Observe. Very good. Parallelogram. Nishant
Ma'am,
told.
not observe.
Good.
Nishant, ma'am.
Nishant told, ma'am, not observe.
Okay. Okay. Observe. We can't hear, I think. So, okay. Parallelogram. Parallelogram means the opposite sides are parallel and equal. You remember we studied. So, in trapezium, this is trapezium. In trapezium, only one pair is parallel. The other pair is not parallel. Okay. So we have square, rectangle, kite, parallelogram, rhombus. What do you mean by rhombus? How does the rhombus differ from kite?
It's fat.
You don't. Rhombus means it will be like a square, but this will be like this. All sides are equal, like this. Okay, rhombus. Rhombus means it's like a parallelogram only. All sides are equal only. Kite means only two sides are equal. Other two sides are not equal. Okay, equal means we'll put a line like this in children. This is symbol. Square means all sides are equal. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Kite means adjacent sides are equal. Okay. Trapezium, regular trapezium, we have opposite sides of non-parallel sides are equal. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Like this we will draw. Okay, you should understand mathematical symbol. Same like the parallelogram, this also rhombus. Okay, so opposite sides are equal. This we are going to learn detail. That is, these are all called quadrilateral. What are all this called? What are all these called?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means n is equal to 4. The number of sides 4. All this we are going to learn detail. You understand? In this chapter, we are going to learn this only. Understanding quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals means the number of sides 4. That is polygon. 4-sided polygon. Quadrilateral means what? 4-sided polygon. What is polygon? It is a simple closed curve with a line segment. How many line segments? 4 line segments. So we call it as quadrilaterals. Okay, next. Before we go to quadrilaterals, there is given convex and concave. Convex and concave polygon. What is convex and concave polygon? Convex means they have diagonals in their interior portion. For example, like this. Diagonals. What do you mean by diagonal, children?
Opposite.